Crayon Case, Box of Crayons, and a couple of things that I also picked up from the Crayon Case during their restock on, what was it, April 24th, I believe it was, when they did the restock of the Crayon Case, actually the Box of Crayons. So, actually a few tips. So I know she's getting ready to do another, actually this evening, April 29th, she's getting ready to do another restock of the Box of Crayons and the other Watch Me Blush palette, and I think the Ross palette as well. So just a few pointers when you are trying to get it on the restock date. Make sure you already have your account set up. That is key. Like, if you already have your account set up with your PayPal already linked to your account, your transaction will go a hell of a lot smoother than any of the horror stories that people have been posting on the internet pertaining to the restock dates. Two, you should also already have anything else that you're planning to purchase already in your cart. Like, if you're getting brushes, lip gloss, or anything, the sponges, anything, like anything else that's already in stock and not pertaining to the restock date, then you should already have that already in your cart ready to go. Another pointer, when it's go time, like, get on there 5 minutes prior to or 3 minutes prior to, and just go to that restock page. So go to that palette that you're itching to get. Go there first and just wait. And when the clock strikes 12 or whatever time she chooses to use the restock time, you need to refresh your page as soon as possible, as soon as the clock hits that hour, and hit buy. Like, add to cart and check out and leave the site. Like, that'd be the quickest way. It's worked for me twice. I've purchased this the Box of Crayons twice on both restock dates, and both times it has worked out perfect for me. I hadn't had an issue. I did everything I needed to do ahead of time, and it was just a smooth transaction, and I got my second Box of Crayons. So here's the packaging that it comes in. You can see the packaging. It comes in a bag, and it's like a little vanilla bag, and it has handle with care on it. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. So from like where she started from and to where she is now is like major. So then this is the palette. Ooh, look at all these colors. And you have like this really big, like, okay, this is look how big it is. It's like huge. It's a huge palette. It's huge. And then you have this huge mirror on the inside. So like it's great for traveling with it, because it'll easily travel. Like, you don't have to bring a mirror because you have this huge mirror. Sorry, you see like my big red cups in the background. But like, yes, I have a huge mirror. It's nice. It's great. I support this. Like, this is awesome. This is perfect. Anybody who, is looking to get in the makeup arena and just start trying new things out. I'm not the best makeup artist. I'm kind of not a makeup artist at all. I just started doing it myself because I was just like, you know what? Let me learn how to do my makeup, because I was tired of paying, $60, $50, $45 here and there to go get my makeup done whenever it was time for me to go out. And I just wanted to do it myself. I was like, these girls took the time to learn to do it. How about, let me just try it. I'm not saying I'm about to be a makeup artist or anything like that. But, I'm an amateur artist. I can do it myself, basically. I can do my own makeup. So, that's my review on the Crayon Case. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a try-on review of it. I'll be actually doing my makeup, so I'll be able to get dressed with me makeup tutorial that I'll be doing. I don't even want to say tutorial because I'm not a makeup artist. I'm an amateur. So like, I'm just going to do my makeup and just post it on YouTube. Like, I'll do my makeup on YouTube. So that's all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was very helpful to those who are looking to purchase the Box of Crayons or any of her other items from the Crayon Case. Like I said, the Crayon Case is an Instagram. It started on Instagram. She has grown so much since then. She is It's a black owned small business. I wouldn't even want to say small business anymore, because at this point, like, she has an empire. Like, it's grown probably way beyond her thoughts and dreams would have ever thought this would have gone to. But I support her. So go Super. I'll see you, girl. Bye.